from Mary's computer and it wouldn't allow me to go on YouTube, so I had to switch it to me as the person. So I don't know
Yeah,
why.
that's what's happening on mine also.
Okay. So let me do it up here, so. All right. Go ahead.
The 36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no smoking, no talking, no chewing gum, no eating or drinking, no sleeping or laying down, no driving or riding in a motor vehicle. Please keep your device on mute until you are addressed by staff. Also, keep your device on a level surface so that your face may be seen. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Ms. Wellington, are you able to activate your camera for me?
I know she's working, so she might be having a hard time hearing. I'll try to text her.
Okay.
Here I am. 1 second.
Okay.
I'm
Get you
getting in the
and out,
camera
okay, ma'am?
now.
No problem. Back to the main session. Stick herself to a line. Hold on a minute. Back to the main session. Hello, I'm calling your case. It accidentally took you to a room, okay?
Yes, I was trying to get on the camera and it took me to the joint break room.
That's okay. I'm gonna call your manager so we can get you out, okay?
Okay.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Arnisha Wethington. This is ticket number P1220522, one count discharge firearm. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ted Wallace, P80922, on behalf of Ms. Wethington, who is present via Zoom. Ms. Wethington, please state your name for the record.
My name is Arnisha Wethington.
Today is the date time set for a adjourned pretrial. It's my understanding, Attorney Wallace, that you still have not received discovery.
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right, so the court is, can you please give me a discovery order by tomorrow at the absolute latest, by noon tomorrow at the latest?
Yes, Your Honor.
Get that, services to me as well as to Attorney John Gillis for the city of Detroit. I can provide you with his email address in the email to help facilitate this. I'll sign it and return the order to both of you two. We're gonna adjourn this matter until July 14th. Are we going July 14th? Did that work for you, Attorney Wallace?
Yes, Your Honor.
July 14th, Ms. Wethington, and that's in the morning at 8:30 a.m. Hopefully we'll be ready to proceed by that point in time, okay?
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further. That concludes this hearing. Bond is continued, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
I hear you, Mr. Wallace.
So Judge, I was ready on Washington and York, but I didn't know, I just left them in the breakout room for now, Judge.
That's fine. I'll bring them on out.
Okay.
I'll bring them out one time. A little help.
Thank you, Your Honor.
No problem. Thank you.
No problem.
She's not listening. Let me try the other person. All right, nobody's listening. I'm gonna have to close all the rooms. All right. Ms. Washington? Mr. York?
Yes, Washington.
Okay, all right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Yvonne Washington. This is case number 144528451. One count drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count two, drive, nope. Also calling ticket number 144528453. One count drove while license not valid or improper license. And ticket number 144528452. One count drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
And may it please this court, Your Honor, Ben Werbling, P64889, on behalf of Ms. Washington.
You state your name for the record, please, Ms. Washington.
Yvonne Delisha Washington.
This is the date and time set for a arraignment on a bench warrant on these matters. How are we proceeding?
And Judge, for purpose of arraignment, my client shall stay on mute and waive formal reading at this time.
This time the court will enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. How are we moving forward?
Judge, she understands, she wants to waive her jury trial rights rather, Your Honor, and she's requesting a bench trial.
Is that right, Ms. Washington?
Yes, it is.
If so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
You can put your hand down. Ms. Washington, did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I did.
And he's informing me you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself. I will listen to all the evidence in this matter, make a decision based on the law. Is that how you want to proceed?
Yes.
All right. So I'm going to set this matter for a bench trial on the date of October the 5th, 2022. That's at
October the
9 a.m. Yes, October the 5th. It is going to be via Zoom, the same way you Zoomed on today. You'll Zoom on that day, 9 a.m. instead. Going to set your bond at $0 personal. Did you pay
Okay.
any money for your bond or no, for your arraignment?
Not for, well, I missed the court date, which was the 27th, well, the 25th of this year. But prior to that, in December, when I paid off my tickets, I didn't know I had 3 warrants for this case. So I did pay prior to that in December.
Well, if there's a bond in the computer, I'll leave it as B. If there's not one, I'll put $0 personal in there just so you won't have to come out any more money, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. There's nothing further than, I'll see you back October the 5th, the same way you signed on today, sign on that day at 9 a.m., ma'am, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're very welcome. You have a good day. That concludes this hearing.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yes,
Judge, myself, Ms. Washington, and Mr. York got the green memo. Y'all didn't get it?
oh, we did. We did not. They all have a green for real.
Oh, yeah, we all do. We do have
I
on
do.
green.
Yes.
It's a lucky color today.
They have on black. All right. Let's cross that. All right, Mr. York, I'm gonna call your matter.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Adari?
Yes.
Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Adari York. This is ticket number 304606. This is count 1, no operator's license on person. Count 2, open intoxicants in a motor vehicle. The appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
And good morning, Your Honor. May it please this court, Ben Werbling, P64889, on behalf of Mr. York.
Mr. York, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Adari Karan York.
This is the date and time set for Mr. York's matter for an arraignment on the bench warrant. How are we proceeding?
And Judge, it's my understanding he wants to waive formal reading and stand mute for purposes of arraignment.
At this time, the court is going to set aside any bench warrants that may be out there and enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. How are we moving forward?
Thank you, Your Honor. He wishes to waive his jury trial rights. He wants a bench trial, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. York, can you please raise your right hand?
Yes.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you put your hand down. Mr. York, did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you get everything, Miss Sandy? Hold on a minute, our court reporter froze. You on mute, do you need me to start again?
Yeah, Judge, it dropped.
Okay, how much did you get?
Did you have an opportunity to talk with an attorney?
Okay, great. Thank you. Mr. York, did you have an opportunity to talk with an attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
And he's informing me that you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of fact. I will listen to the evidence presented and based on the law, make a decision. You want to move forward like that, Mr. York?
Yes, Your Honor.
So I'm going to set this for a bench trial on the date of October the 5th, 2022. That's this year, October the 5th. It's going to be at 9 a.m. via Zoom. Sir, did you make any bond payments when you came down to get this on the docket for today? Did you pay any money?
No, Your Honor. No.
Okay, so I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal. And we'll see you back if you don't have any questions on October the 5th via Zoom, 9 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're very welcome. If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Worthing. Can you hang around until 9:30 just to make sure nobody else signs on?
No problem, Judge.
Thank
No
you.
problem. I'm here for as long as you need me, Your Honor.
I'll just give people a few more minutes because we did have some,
I just want to, we have our newborn here and my wife had to take my other child to school. So that's why I'm muting on and off.
okay, no, you're fine. And if you need
Yeah.
to go check.
Oh, she's good. She's 3 weeks today. She was born on May 12th.
Oh, congratulations.
Thank you so much. No, and I'm a little slow too. I should have told Sandy and Lisa, it's just a lack of sleep, but that's why I'm sipping on this coffee. So just don't mind.
Oh, what day? I have to know what day she was born.
May 12th.
Oh, so close. I'm May
Yeah.
23rd. That's why I was like,
Oh, see, but May is that's the best month. We have so many relatives and my dad
May
was May
9th.
1st, so we love May babies.
Danny's May 9th and my clerk Mary, she is May 31st.
Oh, that's awesome. That's cool. I love that.
I may not.
May 9th.
Mhm.
That's the best.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Sandy. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, no problem.
So I'll mute myself, but I'm here.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate it.
Thank you, Judge.
Oh. Let's home.
Judge? Oh, you're gonna log in? You're gonna zoom in?
What you need me to do, Miss Sandy?
Yeah, I have Israel on the phone and I was telling him the problems we're having with the